Chronic respiratory disease, also known as CRD, is an infectious disease that quails often encounter. This disease spreads through many ways and leaves serious consequences. So what are the causes and how to treat it? Let's find out with us in today's video. Firstly, let's learn about the causes of CRD in Quails. CRD is an infectious disease caused by Mycoplasma bacteria. This bacteria exists in the air, feces, and livestock equipment. The disease only occurs when there are stress factors that reduce the resistance of quails, such as when the weather changes suddenly, too much stocking density, periodic cleaning of quail cages is not good. Improper care and nutrition. Therefore, people need to understand some of the main causes of the disease. Thereby, finding preventive measures to minimize the rate of disease outbreaks in the flock. About the transmission of the disease, CRD is mainly spread through two ways. First, the disease is transmitted vertically from mother quail to chicks through eggs, when the eggs are infected with pathogenic bacteria. Secondly, the disease is transmitted horizontally from sick quails to healthy quails through the respiratory tract. Because healthy quails come into contact with sick quails, or come into contact with air, food, drinking water, and farming equipment carrying pathogens, they become infected with disease-causing bacteria. Sick quails will excrete bacteria into the air and transmit the disease to healthy quails when living in the same flock or in the same cage. For symptoms of the disease. When infected with CRD, quail will have the following symptoms: fluffy fur, pale skin, weight loss, difficulty breathing, stuffy nose, reduced birth rate. When the disease is too severe, the quail will stop eating and die. CRD will be the basis for quail to be infected with E. coli. This makes the health of the bird further decline. For pathology, if you dissect along the respiratory tract from the nasal cavity to the lungs, you will see a lot of mucus. If the lung is severely edematous, the air sac walls will thicken and have white cocoons. For disease prevention for quails, the goal of this work is to prevent the transmission of disease. Firstly, prevent vertical transmission by spraying eggs with a suitable disinfectant solution. If you incubate eggs in an incubator, you must clean the incubator and import eggs from reputable facilities to ensure they are free of pathogens. Secondly, prevent horizontal transmission of diseases by the following measures. Farmers need to ensure the quail cage is airy and has sunlight. Feed must be nutritious, not moldy or spoiled. Drinking water must be clean and changed regularly. People need to prevent rodents such as cockroaches and rats from coming into contact with quails. In addition, every week, people should disinfect the enterocael co-op area with products that can be used when there are animals in the co-op. For disinfecting products used to prevent diseases for quails, farmers can refer to Dexin Super or Iodine Added. For the treatment of the disease, for sick quails, farmers treat the disease as follows. Regimen 1. Farmers use the product Phenixin Oral to help clear phlegm and reduce inflammation, combined with the antibiotic Macrotil 250 Oral or Timicin 250 OR, along with the product Movigood to supplement multivitamins and herbs to provide many nutrients for quails, combined with the product Hepisol Oral to detoxify the liver and kidneys, increase appetite for quails. Regimen 2. People use Brom 20WS, helps to clear phlegm and reduce cough, combined with antibiotics to treat diseases Gentedox WS or Doxygen. 200 WS. Along with VitaHerb to supplement multivitamins and electrolytes to help increase strength and support. Quails along with Sorbacin helps enhance liver function, highly effective in detoxifying the liver and kidneys of quails. In addition, you need to pay attention when quails have CRD. You need to clean the droppings and bedding regularly. You should clean them about every 2 days. And if you leave it longer, you need to use probiotics to sprinkle in the cage to reduce the toxic gases in the droppings. That will make the baby quails more sick than their parents. Farmers can use probiotics to help treat the barn floor of sow. My companies such as Biolic, Biofarm, BioBed. All the above products should be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Recently, Dr. Vic Global have introduced about CRD in quails and effective ways to prevent and treat the disease. We hope to bring a lot of useful information to the people. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you again.